I'm at North City Shopping Centre. The lift seems original, but look! New Dewhurst. Everything else is original. Yeah, they have made a bit of a mistake here. So this lift is maintained by OTIS, so they've put new Dewhurst in here to replace the old 90s Dewhurst. They made a mistake and they bought a 1, 2 and a 3 and not a 1, 3 and a 4. So they've put the 2 where the 4 should be. Hopefully OTIS will come and change that eventually. Original indicators. Yeah, this is what we painted up here. I can't remember what make this lift is. Someone told me on YouTube it's either FIAM or SMS Express, I think. It's one of the two, and I think it was installed by FIAM-Schindler. I can't remember which of the two it is, I always forget. Here we are back at 1. These buttons have been needing upgrading for a long time. Because a lot of people have asked me, why have they changed the buttons and nothing else? Because the buttons are really the only thing that needs changing. The old buttons did not light up properly anymore, but everything else still works perfectly. So if that's not broken, why bother replacing it? They've just replaced the part that needed upgrading, which is the buttons. So there we go, and that's it.